If you've been to our clinic, you've probably heard us talk about two things, our PEMF mat and our EMTT therapy. And at some point, someone's going to ask, aren't those basically the same thing? They're both magnetic, right? It's a fair question. And honestly, I had the exact same question before I bought the EMTT into this clinic. So today I'm going to answer it once and for all, because once you understand the difference, everything about your recovery is going to make a lot more sense. By the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly what the EMTT does and what the PEMF mat does and why they are completely different tools and how we use them together to help your body heal faster and feel younger. My name is Stephanie. I'm a physical therapist and I'm the owner of mPower Physical Therapy, and our whole mission is aging shouldn't be this hard. We want you to go from feeling like you're 80 to feeling 10 to 20 years younger, and the tools we're going to talk about today are a big part of what we do and how we do that. So let's get into it. What is PEMF? PEMF stands for Pulse Electromagnetic Field Therapy. The PEMF mat we use at mPower is the Beamer, one of the most researched devices in this category. Here's what it does. It sends low-intensity pulsed magnetic fields through your body. These waves are gentle. You don't feel much at all. You just lie on the mat and your body does the rest. Here's what's happening at the cellular level. Your red blood cells, which tend to clump when they're stressed or inflamed, they start to separate and flow better. Circulation improves throughout your whole body. Your parasympathetic nervous system, that's your rest and repair system, gets activated, while the whole body inflammation starts to come down and your cells get a gentle signal to do their jobs better. Think of PEMF like a daily tune-up for your body. It's so gentle and well tolerated that many of our patients use it every single day, and some have a mat at home. I personally use one. PEMF is your recovery infrastructure. It keeps your body running in the background. So what is EMTT? Now let's talk about EMTT. It's extracorporeal magnotransduction therapy. EMTT also uses magnetic fields, but that's where the similarities to PEMF end. EMTT is a high-intensity, deeply penetrating. We're talking about 3 to 5 more inches below the skin, all the way into tendons, ligaments, and bone. And here's the key thing that PEMF can't do. It works directly at the cell membrane. So when you have a chronic injury or chronic inflammation, the cells in that area, think like your rotator cuff, your knee tendon, or your hip joint, those cells kind of go quiet. They stop responding. It's like trying to call someone whose phone battery has died. The signal just doesn't get through. EMTT reopens the ion channels and these cell membranes. It recharges them. It wakes them up. And once these cells are awake again, once they're responsive, every other treatment we do starts working better. That includes our Shockwave therapy. We actually use EMTT primer before or after Shockwave. And when we do that combination, we see significantly better outcomes than either tool used alone. The device we use is made by Storz Medical. It's a Swiss company, one of the most respected names in regenerative medicine. This is a clinical grade research-backed technology. EMTT isn't just a comfort tool, it is a repair signal. It is doing real cellular work. So let me put it really simply. PEMF is a recovery tool. EMTT is a repair tool, and those two are completely different things. Recovery means supporting your body's daily systems, your nervous system, your circulation, your inflammation response. It's maintenance, optimization, making sure you're running well every single day. Repair means actually fixing tissue that's been damaged, waking up cells that have gone dormant, creating the biological environment for your tendons, your ligaments, your joints to actually heal. Think of it this way. If EMTT is a construction crew doing renovation on your house, PEMF is the utility crew making sure the power and the water are running while they work. You need both, but they're doing completely different jobs. So here's the question I know you're asking. Do I actually need both? Honestly, the answer is it depends on where you are right now. If you're dealing with a chronic injury, a shoulder that won't fully heal, a knee that's been nagging you for years, hip pain that won't go away or respond, then yes, EMTT probably is your missing piece. Your tissues need a repair signal, not just recovery support. If you're generally healthy, managing inflammation, trying to sleep better, and recover faster from workouts or a busy life, PEMF is incredible for that. Every single day, if you're someone dealing with chronic pain and you want to optimize your overall health and recovery, that's when we use both. And that's where we see the most remarkable results. At mPower, we're building our entire program around this philosophy. Healing plus recovery equals feeling 10 to 20 years younger. That's the goal. That's why we have both tools in the clinic. Now, if this is sparking some questions for you, if you're wondering whether EMTT, Shockwave, or a full regenerative program might be right for you, I want to give you something. We've put together a free report called the mPower Guide to Regenerative Therapy. It covers EMTT, Shockwave, and how we use them together, what conditions respond best, and what to expect from the process. The link to download it is in the description below. No cost, no obligation, just information you need to make a smart decision about your health. And if you're ready to go a step farther, if you want to sit down with one of our therapists and talk about your specific situation and find out if regenerative program is going to be a fit for you, we offer a free discovery visit for exactly that. It's not a sales pitch, it's a conversation. We figure out what your body needs and we'll tell you honestly whether we can help. Both links are in the description. I'd love to meet you. In this video, if this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. We put out new content every week on regenerative therapy, physical therapy, and recovery tools to help you age without limits. I'll see you in the next one.